He wants to take a shot at it. He's going to take a little arena shot on it.
Oh my God. Yeah.
He's trying to pick up some speed. About as fast as he can go. Yeah. Check me. It's real quiet all of a sudden. We got, okay, here's one of like the official rules. They got 2 minutes to start. So they're on a stopwatch right now, so I guess if some drivers want to jump out real quick, you got the chance. So we're on the clock. Between 82 and 10, you can look at number 10. Number 10 is really, really hot. Both these drivers, they're trying to get them started. They're working it. There goes Dan! Look at number 82. Didn't know if he got to start or not. You wanted to hit him again?
No way.
Oh! Number 82. It's trying to start, but it's not. You can see the puffs of smoke coming out of it. Come on. Oh! Killing me, man. 50 seconds. Who's going for 10?